Thomas the Tank Engine and his friends thought it was the best Christmas ever.
The rest of his speech was drowned in a delighted chorus of jeers and whistles. The twins were here to stay. And thanked Edward. His driver and fireman was flooded with lights. Ladies, gentlemen, and children, I give you 3 cheers for Thomas the Tank Engine and all his friends who have made this occasion possible. Suddenly there was a strange whirring sound, bringing the greatest surprise of all. Father Christmas! Everyone cheered and the party began.
Decorated. Parcels lay everywhere. The engines whistled in delight and everyone agreed that it was really a happy Christmas.
Sir, my very own medal, said Thomas. Thank you.
3 cheers for Thomas, the #1 engine. But I still won the race, tooted Bertie.
Thomas just beeped happily. Thomas remembered what the Fat Controller had said about sharing the work. But the band started playing and everybody was cheering. Thomas thought this was the passengers and staff waved and cheered as he passed by. The band played on. The workmen cheered. And plenty of cakes. Everyone had a wonderful time. The children cheered for Thomas. Thomas felt very proud. The holiday season. Everybody cheered. Thomas was so pleased. Best statue that could ever be. And all the engines agreed. Lowy, and they were pleased to have coal to make their home snug and warm. They cheered and cheered and cheered. Scarlowy was so proud it made his axles tingle. When he saw the presents, they cheered and cheered. He liked. They looked wonderful. The children clapped and cheered. Footplate in leaves and twigs. Everyone cheered when they saw him. The children cheered. You're not messy, you're just in fancy dress. The children were delighted to see Thomas and Mr. Snowman. They cheered and cheered. And Thomas was very happy to have returned their frosty friend. When James arrived at the football ground, everybody cheered. They all thought he...
And over the town of Great Waterton. All the engines whistled and wished. Jack and his team cheered. And everyone clapped. Thomas smiled. He had wanted to be the leader of the track.
The Fat Controller and Lady Hat were very pleased to see their brand new hat blue car. Everyone clapped and cheered, and Thomas cheered loudest of all. And the grand finale. Abracadabra! Thomas was amazed. The children clapped and cheered. The children laughed and cheered. And Thomas was the star of the show.